Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what comes, or how to do crap with your instant noodles. And today it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me! And yeah, so first off, I want to say thank you to a guy named Felix in Malaysia at Mamee Noodles, Mamee Shinsegae, for sending this along. This is a score. This, ladies and gentlemen, can only be found at 7-Eleven in Malaysia. This is their Daibak Ghost Pepper Spicy Chicken variety from Malaysia. So I am like stoked and a little pensive about this one, because this is either gonna go one way or the other. It's gonna be like, yeah, that was really spicy, but you know, meh. Or it's gonna be like, oh dude, I mean, it's got, here, I'll show you the little picture on here. Check that little chart. Can you see it? Ah, there you go. Look at that. 1.1 million SHU for ghost pepper. Yeah. And the current reigning number one on the top 10 spiciest instant noodles list is made with ghost pepper. So, yeah. Not only that, see if I can get this lid off without damaging. Oh. I like the concept of the metal lid, but for the, ooh, there we go. Cool. I get to rescan this. I scanned this one this morning, and they sent me 3 of the cups. Which is great, because that means I can have one that I process, which is basically take the lid off, scan that, take the label off, scan that, take everything out, do all the pictures of that, and chuck all that. And then start with one fresh for today. So it comes with a neat folding fork. How does it fold? Like this. See that? I like that one. There's the click, and then there's the click. I like that one. Now, what's kind of crazy are the noodles. Can I even get these out of here? I mean, you'll see them cooked anyways, but let's make sure you can see this. The noodles, you noticing? They're blackish. And then there's the stuff. Oh, and I did it this morning and got all the pictures ready and junk. I tasted one of these noodles, and I don't think there's any of the heat in the noodle. I think it's just probably like squid ink. But, yeah. And the water's just about to a boil. You're probably going to be like, wow, the water wasn't boiling already. It's like, yeah, well, I wanted to spend a couple minutes with you beforehand. I want to thank everybody who makes every day for me feel like a birthday. That's you, the viewers and readers of the blog, and all the fans. I really appreciate that. Keeps me going. Makes me happy. Alright, so we got some boiling water. We're going to dump it right on in. Slap that lid back on. And give it the required 4 minutes. Are you going to sit up here, or are you going to fall in? Ah, you're going to sit up here. Very nice. Let's get rid of this excess water. And it's gone. Alright, so anyways. So, I started the day by waking up late. I slept in, which I think I needed it. That's alright. But, and then got everything all together and said goodbye to my wife, and we got my daughter into the stroller. Which, by the way, if you didn't know, our stroller, due to me decking it out, has flashing lights, RGB LED lights, something in the front wheel that spins around and is lit. The bottom undercarriage basket has like twinkling stars. It's hardcore. And then I've got a really beefy 25-watt Bluetooth speaker that we walk around town with. So, got my goal for the day is 7,000 steps, and we did 8,850, I think. It was either that or 8,500. I can't remember, but it was a lot. Yeah, like about 4 miles. And yeah, so that's cool. That's how I like to start my day. Get a goal done before 10 a.m., you know. And yeah, now we're doing this. And went to the store, got stuff for dinner. It's like usually for my birthday I go out to eat, but I don't know. This whole diet thing has me totally thinking everything differently. It's like I don't really want to go. It's like, what do you want to do for your birthday? Oh, I want to, you know, I want to do a bunch of walking and do all this stuff, and then I want to go blow it all. It's like, no cake, no ice cream. I'm good, really. It's like on Saturday I want to go on a big long hike up in my hometown. By the way, if this doesn't come out today, my plan is to like run through this, chow down the noodles, edit all the videos, push them out before my son gets home at 2:30. And it's like, what, 2 something right now? Yeah, so we'll see. Or no, it's like noon. I'm hoping these don't put the gut hurt on me like the other ones that I've had that have been like ultra hot spicy level. These I guess you can only get at 7-Eleven in Malaysia, so that's pretty cool, pretty exclusive. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's the tough part, like I've said in the last few mukbang videos, is that I can eat it, I can handle the heat, but just the amount of food in my gut is a lot. It's like all I've had today is a protein drink, and I've been like, oh, and vitamins, and I've been nursing on an energy drink, and that's it. So it's kind of difficult. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm stoked. I got this. Got some pineapple and some bell pepper and a sweet onion and some instant brown rice that I can just slap in the microwave. By the way, we have a new microwave. We got it last night, and the saga is over. It's rad. It makes songs. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna have that with some nice baked chicken for dinner. That just sounds hella good. So, all right. Wow. Look at that. I'll give it a little stir. And then it's gonna be done up. Oh, I was gonna do my Safeway tickets. I've got all these tickets for this. Oh, look at that. Nice. Yeah. I've got all these tickets for them. They have Monopoly at the grocery store. I got a whole stack. I keep forgetting to do them on camera. Maybe tomorrow. Alright, those noodles are pretty stirred. Pretty ready to go. Ready, steady, go. So, let's drain them. Now the way you usually do is you take a fork and you poke some holes in this side and then drain it out that way. I'm not on the go currently. I'm in the kitchen, so I'm just gonna, yeah. go. Those certainly do look like black noodles. Yeah. And now for the moment of I guess you can call it the moment of truth. We're just putting this stuff in here. The moment of truth will be when I actually eat it. Which is coming up in a separate video. So if this ends up getting promoted for some reason on Facebook, there's another video that you'll have to go see, and it will be on Facebook. So, but if you're seeing this video and you're like, when's he gonna eat it? This sucks. If you're watching this on YouTube, then there's also a video on YouTube where you can watch me eat it. So, yeah. I guess you could call this an instructional video on how to cook this. It's pretty easy though, as you can see. Just 4 minutes. Add the sauce. Stir it up. Ooh. This looks like freaky. It smells really good, actually. It's gonna be hard not to like. It's like I want to put fried egg and some really nice chicken on it, and all sorts of stuff. But this one is supposed to be so spicy, and when things are gonna be that ultra spicy, if it's like something I know that it's not gonna be like violent or lethal, then I'll tend to like add stuff. But for a mukbang like this, it has to be just 100% straight. So, that action. Come on, come on. All right, you ready? Wow. And there you have it. That's some pretty dark looking noodle. It does look like squid ink noodle. We'll see. Trying to get it centered a little bit. But not incredibly worried about that. But hey. Let's open a couple of these tickets, why not? And I usually have to get a couple things together to do the video, the mukbang, the eating, and that is, I need to have a drink over there, not so I can like drink it while I'm eating it, but so I can drink something before it. Got a buddy who just did a video where he didn't have anything to drink beforehand, and he got the hiccups, and that's why I do it. Because getting the hiccups while you're trying to scarf down ultra spicy noodles is one of the least wonderful things that can happen to a person. I'll tell you that right now. I've had that wonderful experience more than once. 50 cents off potato chips. Not really my thing currently, but that's cool. And I think after this we got a couple more. Instant winner. Hey, that's cool. 120-ounce bottle of mustard. What would I use mustard for? Oh, that's a lot of mustard too. 20 ounces? I mean, I don't really eat hot dogs or nothing anymore. Maybe the vegan ones aren't so bad for you, huh? Instant winner. 2 more of these tickets. Yeah. And is this the last one, or I'm opening 2 at once. Yeah. Alright, it's my birthday. Maybe I have really good luck today. And the final one. Maybe I really have no luck. You've won absolutely nothing. All right. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Thank you for watching. It's been enjoyable having you. And next up for this is going to go into my stomach. Watch out, stomach. Here come banana. Have a good one. Bye.